Here's how to create this Spider-Man effect for free using just your phone. Get a shot of you walking in the room and reacting to the ceiling. Get a second shot of you crawling in like a spider and react to the ceiling. You can also click the button below to edit with me while watching this video. Open those clips into CapCut. On your second clip, tap Overlay to drop it down a layer. Slide it to the left, then using your fingers, rotate it upside down 180 degrees. Tap Edit, then tap Mirror. Tap Cutout, then remove the background. Adjust the timing, then using your fingers, adjust the scale and position. On the same layer, tap Copy to duplicate. Tap Overlay to drop it down, then slide it to the left and match the timing. With the middle clip selected, delete the Remove Background effect by tapping the Reset button in the corner. Then add a mask, choose Split Mask. Tap the Invert button to flip it. Slide the mask line to align with the corner of the floor. And that's it. Should look something like this.